What did you do, Pa?
I gave a coin to that poor man.
But why, Pa? Can he not earn?
I don't know about that, Sasha, but what I did was an act of kindness.
Kindness? Why do you need to do that?
Okay, how about I tell you with a story?
Yay, story time!
This happened once in a jungle. One day, there was heavy rain. All animals took shelter. But one poor ant was caught in the rain. The rain was too strong and she was washed away into a stream.
Help! Help! Someone help!
A parrot, who had sheltered himself in a tree, heard the ant's cries.
Ant! Ant! Looks like someone is in trouble! Oh no! It is a little ant! She is helpless! What can I do? Thank you, Parrot. You saved my life.
Many days later, a hunter came into the forest. He had a big rifle. Shooting birds is such fun, and it's such a beautiful day. I'm going to have great fun today. Now to look for the birds. Oh, where are they? Yes, that one.
Oh no! Parrot's life is in danger. I know what to do. If only I can be fast enough. Thank you so much, Ant. You saved my life. I did nothing good, Parrot. As they saw, one kind deed begets another.
So, you just have to do kind deeds. Do not think about the returns. But you will surely find more peace, and you will also find help when you need it.
Certainly, Pa. Yes, it is so good to be kind. Hi, I am Shiny. If you like this story, then please share it and don't forget to tell your friends and subscribe the channel.